In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Apps to generate text to image completely free of charge. So Google had just released about 39 different kind of AI tools that you can access from labs.google.com. You can start by coming to labs.google.com and you can see they've just launched all of these different AI tools from stacks to moving archives to Doppel. These are AI tools to flow, portrait. You can view all from here and they have them categorized according to the function you can have. This is all, which you can see so many of them. And you can see the categories based on create. You can create different things. Okay, you can have develop in terms of coding and so on, explore, learning AI tools that they have just added. And you can play maybe games and so on and so on. You can try to write prompts that can help you to generate or design simple games for you. But for today, let's try the create feature and let's go down here and try the ImageFX, which is going to use to generate some fantastic images. So let's come here and just give it a prompt. Can you generate the image of a cat? So you can be as detailed as you want, and then you can give in more details as well. From here you can check the speed, quality, the aspect ratio you can define, and I want to keep everything at default over here. And once you have everything set, you can just go ahead and click on create, and this is going to do the wonders for you. What I like most about ImageFX is the quality of the image and the speed with which it takes to just generate. It's very fast and it has very superb quality. And take a look at what it has created for us. Very nice and wonderful. The image is very crispy, highly superb, and the cat is really enjoying the bicycle in the bush. You can see it very nice. And in each case, you can copy the image and you can download it, or you can come to this three dots and copy and share, or you can flag the output if you're interested. But it is wonderful. It is next level. You can use it to create different kind of things if you're interested. So please explore this and let's see. You can comment in the comment section what you are currently using this for. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.